Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show how to download the latest VLC player and how to install it properly to play video and audios. So be with Joseph IT. Go to Google, type VLC player and search for it. When the results appear, go to the first link. The official page has appeared. Now simply click on download VLC. It is only 28 MB in size. Now just after downloading the software I'm coming back, so download it and wait for a while. I have downloaded the software. Now I'm just going to install it. This is the software. Simply double click on it. The installation process has started. Okay, next, and simply install. VLC player installation has been completed. Now I'm just simply clicking on finish to run the player. Continue. And this is the VLC player latest version. With it you can simply play audios, videos, etc. So this is the simple way of download VLC media player, the latest one, and to install it in your system. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.